Hi, welcome to our Pharma Topics channel. Our topic of discussion is stool softeners. They are also called surfactant laxatives. The drug in this category is docusate. Docusate is otherwise called as dioctyl sodium sulfosuccinate or DOS. It's an anionic detergent that emulsifies the colonic contents and increases the penetration of water into the feces and softens it. The adverse effects are it can cause absorption of non-absorbable drugs such as liquid paraffin. It can cause cramps and abdominal pain. It can cause hepatotoxicity on prolonged use. The next drug is liquid paraffin. So it is a petroleum product. It is a mixture of petroleum hydrocarbons. It is pharmacologically inert and lubricates the sky belly. The adverse effects are unpleasant taste, lipid pneumonia. It may hamper the absorption of fat soluble vitamins, and leakage past the anal sphincter may cause embarrassment. So it's a short information of the stool softeners. I hope it will be useful for you. Thank you for listening. Happy learning. Kindly share this to more of your friends. Kindly subscribe to our Pharma Topics channel for further updates. Thank you.